Today I'll show you how to install the FFmpeg on Windows 11. So just search FFmpeg on Google, then the first website should be the one. Press on download, hover over the Windows button, then press on giant.dev, and once inside it, press on the full version, not the essential one. And as you saw, the file has started to download, and I'll get back to you once the file is fully downloaded. Alright, here we are. Let's open the file, and what I want to do now is extract the file right here for a second, because we'll need what's inside it. For me it's okay to be extracted in the same location where it has been downloaded. In a second we have to open my computer and we have to go into the C drive to create a new folder. It doesn't matter how you name it, I will name just FFmpeg with caps lock. And let's get back to the extracted files, and what I want to do is cut the files and paste them into the folder I created in C. Then go inside the bin and select all the files here, cut them, go back 2 times, and you have to paste them here into the folder that we created. Once you paste them, you can delete the other folder, it doesn't matter anymore. And what you have to do now, so just get back into the folder that you created, copy the path of this folder. So if you press there, then press on Ctrl and C to copy the address. Then what you have to do, go into the Windows search bar and search for environment. This should be the icon in which you have to go. Once inside it, press on environment variables, and once inside it, search for path. Once you locate path, double click on it and press on new, and you have to paste the path of the folder you created earlier, which we copied together. Press on OK, and we're done. Now Windows should recognize this path for FFmpeg. And what else you can do to double check if Windows recognize it, you can go into the command prompt. If you type cmd into the search bar, and here if you type FFmpeg, then a bunch of numbers like me shows up, then it means Windows recognizes it. Thank you a lot for watching, and I hope you have a great day.